Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to manage multiple warehouses in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now the first thing you need to do is actually turn on advanced inventory. So the way you do this, you come here at the top, you click on edit, you click here on preferences, okay? And then I want you to click here, items and inventory, click on company preferences. Make sure this one is toggled on. Inventory and purchase orders are active. Then click here on OK. Now what we will do, can come back here, by the way, once you've saved the changes. Click here, Advanced Inventory Settings. Okay, click on this. And then what you need to do here under multiple inventory locations, make sure multiple inventory sites are actually enabled. Okay, once it is enabled, we can go ahead and save that. So we'll click here on OK. And then we set up our warehouse locations. The way you go about this, let me close this one as well. We will save the changes, and then QuickBooks will go ahead and restart. So just give it a few seconds. Once it opens it back up, then what I want you to do is just come here, click on lists, click on here inventory site list. So you should see that. Click here, inventory site list, and then at the bottom left, I want you to click on this drop down, click on new. Okay. And then you just enter your, site name, for example, main warehouse, east warehouse, retail store, whatever it is. Description, this is usually optional. So you can enter also the address or contact information if it's needed, and then click on OK to save. Okay. And then you can be assigning the items to these warehouses, and you can transfer inventory between the warehouses. So the way you go about that, you come here, click on inventory. Okay. And then what you do, you click here on transfer inventory. So you choose if you want to transfer from which site, okay, to which one here. You choose which site you're transferring to, and you just go ahead and save and close. You pick your item, description, quantity, things like that. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.